press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, today I am continuing the exercise 11.2. I hope you are all staying at home and you are all safe, correct? Here in this class just I am continuing my last class exercise 11.2. In these exercise just we are discussing the areas and perimeters of a respective parallelograms and triangles. What is the question they have given, people? Fifth question, PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. One figure also they have given. QM is the height. QM is the height from Q to SR and QN is the height from Q to P as if SR equals to 12 centimeters and QM equals to 7.6 centimeters. Fine. Fine. A and B questions are there. A question is the area of the parallelogram PQRS. The area of the parallelogram PQRS. See children, they are giving one parallelogram. They are giving one parallelogram. They are giving one parallelogram. In that perpendicular, two types of perpendicular heights they are giving. This is one type, that is NQ, that is NQ. And then this one, from the same vertex, one time they are taking this one as base, one time they are taking this one as base, one time they are taking this one as base and they are taking one time this one as base and this one they are taking as QM. Okay, and the height also they have given 7.6 meters, 7.6 meters. What the triangle name they have given? PQRS. PQRS. What is the question, children? PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height from Q to SR. QM is the height from QM is the height from Q to SR. One time they are taking this one as base and QN is the height from Q to PS. QM is height from Q to PS. If SR equals to 12 centimeters. SR ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ in question ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12 centimeter. SR ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 12 centimeters and QM equals to 7.6 centimeters. Find area of the parallelogram. Here, just see here children, just obey this, just neglect this one. We know the height of a parallelogram, that is 7.6 centimeter, and also the base of a parallelogram, that is 12 centimeters. Then we can find the area of a parallelogram. Afterwards, for the second question, there is some twist. Given what is given? Height of a parallelogram from Q to SR. Given the height of a parallelogram from Q to SN. Q to SN is 7.6 centimeter. 7.6 centimeter. And then base. Base of a parallelogram is, since the base of a parallelogram is equals to 12 centimeters. 12 centimeter. And then we can find the area, correct? Area of a, therefore, area of a parallelogram. Therefore, the area of a parallelogram equals to base into height. We are all familiar with this formula. Base into height. What is base? 12 centimeters into height is 7.6 centimeter. If you take the multiplication in between these two, 12 6 are 72, 12 sevens are, what is 12 sevens are? 12 sevens are 84, 84 plus 7, 91.2 centimeters square. Therefore, the area of a parallelogram is 91.2 centimeters. Correct? 91.2 centimeters. Okay, children. Here the B question they have given like this. Qn, find Qn if PS equals to 8 centimeter. Find Qn, find Qn, we have to find these Qn where this one is equals to 8 centimeters. Therefore, PS is base, correct? PS equals to 8 centimeters. Okay, for these parallelogram, if you take this one as height and this one as base, we are getting 91.2 as area, correct? If it will be changed, if I take this one as height and this one as base, no, both will be same. Therefore, we know the area of the parallelogram we know and the height of a parallelogram from N to Q we know. With respect to PS, we have to find PS, that is the base of a parallelogram. Height we know, area we know. Just we have to find the area of the parallelogram. Just we have to find the base of a parallelogram. Given since base B equals to SP, that is equals to question mark, that only we have to find. 8 centimeters and height H equals to Qn, that is equals to question mark, correct children? And then height of a parallelogram, like that you have to write, and then from A, area of a parallelogram is equals to 91.2 centimeter square. A equals to 91.2 centimeter square. And then we know that according to us, what is the area of a parallelogram? Base into height. Base into height is equals to 91.2 centimeter. Sorry, after calculation you can write them. Otherwise, you can continue. Just I am doing the problem solution here. Just I am continuing the solution of that problem here. Base into height, correct? What is base? Base is PS, that is 8 centimeters into, in upper step only just write base is PS into Qn equals to 91.2 centimeters square. Base PS is equals to 8 centimeters into Qn enagutte. What is the Qn value? We don't know, that is a height. Just write that as Qn only, because they are asking us to find the Qn alla. That implies Qn equals to 91.2 divided by H. Correct? 8 ones are 8 ones are 8, 2 remaining 1.4. That implies Qn equals to 11.4 11.4 centimeters. Correct? Qn equals to 11.4 centimeter. What we have did in this problem is just one parallelogram they have given. According to different bases, they are constructing the parallelogram. According to one logic, they have given that Qn and SR are base and heights, and according to another relation, they have given this one and this one. Qn are height and base of the triangle. In different situations, just they are asking here to find the area. If this is like this, area we know, but the two parallelogram constraints, area is same, that's why I am taking here also area same 91.2, and I am finding the Qn value, that is base of a parallelogram regarding to Q as 11.4. Okay children, just move on to the next question. Just move on to the next question. See next question. Sixth question. DL and BM are heights on AB and AD respectively of parallelogram ABCD in the figure, if the area of parallelogram is 1470 square centimeters, AB equals to 35 centimeters and AD equals to 49 centimeters. Find the length of AD. Find the length of AD. One parallelogram they have given, that is A, B, C, D. Here they have given one parallelogram A, B, C, the perpendicular height DL and regarding to AB and BM regarding to DA or AD. They are given. Next, first see the question. See the question carefully. DL and DM are heights of a parallelogram ABCD. DL and BM are heights of a parallelogram. If the area of a parallelogram is 1470 square centimeters, AB equals to 35 centimeters and AD equals to, bases they are giving 49 centimeters, A equals to 1470 centimeters square. Find the length of BM and DL. Just they are giving heights, the bases of a different sides of a parallelogram. This one is DA and this one is AB, and area also they are giving. Just we have to find the heights, respective heights of a parallelogram. Given. What the given? First they are giving area of a parallelogram given. Area of a parallelogram A equals to 1570 centimeter square. Sorry. AB equals to AB equals to 35 centimeters and AD equals to 49 centimeters of AB equals to 35 centimeters and AD equals to 49 centimeter. Whatever they have given, just I am writing them. These were not basis of a parallelogram. We are all know. Then we know that AB and AD are bases of with respect to the heights DL and BM. AB ಗೆ DL and AD ಗೆ BM. We know that area of parallelogram equals to 1470 square centimeters. What is the base? AB into DL. This one will be the height and this one will be the base. AB into DL equals to 1470 square centimeters. We know that what is the value of AB? 35 into DL equals to 1470. That implies DL equals to that means 1470 divided by 35. Just we can do the cancellation with 7 5s are 210, 1s are 40, 2s are 42. That implies 42. DL is equals to 42 centimeter. We have find the DL equals to same logic we have to implement when just use when we are finding BM also. Okay then, okay children. And continuing the problem here children. And area of parallelogram is equals to on that time we did this one into this one, correct? DL into AB. Now we have to do BM into DA or AB. AD into base into height is BM. We know that 1470 square centimeter is the base, and what is the value of AD? 49 centimeters into BM. That implies 1470 divided by 49 equals to BM. Just cancel it with 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. And then 7 ones are 7 30s are correct. 30 equals to BM. 30 equals to BM. Correct children? The length of DL is equals to 42 centimeter and the length of BM equals to 30 centimeters. Therefore, the lengths of DL equals to 42 centimeters and BM is equals to 30 centimeters and BM equals to 30 centimeters. Okay children, I think you understood. When I am doing the problem, just listen carefully, then you can get it. Because you can't ask the answers here, na? Sorry, questions. You can't raise the questions. That's why you have to listen them carefully. Okay, in the 7th question. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. See here, triangle ABC is right angled at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB equals to 5 centimeter, BC equals to 13 centimeter and AC equals to 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. Also find the length of AD. Also find the length of AD. Triangle ABC is right angle at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB equals to 5 centimeter, BC equals to 13 centimeter and AC equals to 12 centimeters, find the area of ABC. Also find the length of AD. Here what they are given? Just they are giving all the sides length. All the sides length. What they are giving? The sides of all the sides. Correct? What they are asking us to find? Just what they are asking us to find? They are asking us to find, just they are giving A, B, C, here one perpendicular height D, all the sides they are giving. AB equals to 5 centimeter, AC equals to 12 centimeters and BC equals to 13 centimeter. All the sides they have given here. Here we have to find area of a triangle. Here we have to find area of a triangle. How we can find the area of a triangle? Here means just I am taking just here what they have given, AB equals to 5 centimeter, BC equals to 13 centimeter and AC equals to 12 centimeter they have given, and find the area. How to find the area? Half into base into height, half into base into height, half into base into height, and then just I am taking here AB and AC as the respective sides and I am finding the area here. Given, just whatever the given, we have to write them. Given AB equals to 5 centimeters, BC equals to 13 centimeters and AD equals to 12 centimeters. Sorry, here AC. Here AC. And then you have to write, we know that the area of triangle ABC, and then you have to write the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half into AB into half into AB into AC. AB into AC. Half into AB ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? We know that AB is 5 and then AC is 12. Ones are 3s. Correct? Sorry. Ones are 6. Correct? 3's area is 30 centimeter square. Area is 30 centimeter square. By taking the area as like this, just I am finding here this one, AD. Okay. Now, area of, we have we have no logic to find, we have no alternate to find the area, correct? We have no alternate to find the area, just you have to take the area something, we know the base, then only you can find the area. That's why I am taking first I am finding by using the two sides, just I am finding the area and then I am now substituting that one here. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half into AD into, that means perpendicular height into base BC, but we know that what is the area? 30 centimeter square equals to half into AD enagutte. AD is perpendicular height, that only you have to find. BC equals to 30 centimeters, that implies 30 into 2 divided by 13 is equals to AD. This is in denominator. I am taking this one as numerator here. This is numerator, this is denominator. Okay. That implies 30 into 2, 60 by 13 is equals to AD. If you take the cancellation means we will get 13 ones are 4.6 centimeters, that is equals to AD. What is the perpendicular height? Perpendicular, therefore you have to write therefore the length of AD is 4.6 centimeter according to the area 30 centimeter square. 30 centimeter square. I think you understand this one, children. And then let's moving on to the next question, 8th question. This is the last question in this exercise. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means a triangle in which two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle, with measurements of equal sides also they are giving. AB equals to AC equals to 7.5 centimeters and BC equals to 9 centimeters. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeters. Find the area of triangle ABC. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height from C to what will be the height from C to AB, that is CE. One triangle they have given. What is the triangle name? A, B, C, and perpendicular heights also they are giving. One is with C, one is CE and second one is AD with measurement 6 centimeters. These are two isosceles triangle, 7.5 we will get here. Okay. Another side is with 9 centimeters. In question itself only all this one is there. Just read the question and understand the a triangle ABC is isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC equals to 7.5 centimeter. Isosceles triangle andre enu? A triangle in which two sides are equal. A triangle in which two sides are equal, and also the other base side measurement also they are giving, that is 9 centimeters. That is 9 centimeters. The height AD from A to BC. This perpendicular. AD is perpendicular height from A to BC. AD is perpendicular height from A to BC. Just you have to remember, children, the perpendicular height altitude just does not divide the opposite sides into two equal line segments, because median only will divide the line segment. Just it is not dividing BC into two equal parts. It can do, otherwise it can't do that, but we can't. In equilateral triangle it will do, but we can't tell. In every case we can't tell, it will merge. Find is 6 centimeters. AD length also they are giving, that is 6 centimeter. The perpendicular height from A to BC in triangle ABC is they are giving, that is 6 centimeters. Find the area of triangle ABC. Now ivage adu triangle ABC ondu area na area na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What will be the height from C to AB, that is CE. Idunna ನಾವು just we have to find. We have to find this portion. We have to find CE. If you know AD value and BC value, then you can find the area of a triangle. Obviously, by taking these one to these one, how we did for in fifth, I think in fifth or sixth, how we take the parallelogram. If you find the area for this triangle, that is the area for these also, half into 7.5 into C equals to that area only, correct? We have to write that one. Okay, take down children. Given triangle ABC is isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC, sorry, here just write AB equals to AC equals to 7.5 centimeters, that means the measurements, and BC equals to 9 centimeters. BC equals to 9 centimeters. When also they have given that when BC is base, when the height of AD from A to BC, when area of triangle, when A, also they have, first you have to write also given, also since height AD from A to BC, AD is equals to 6 centimeters, and length of the side BC equals to 9 centimeters. Now area of triangle ABC regarding to these two is half into base into height, that is equals to half into 6 centimeters into 9 centimeters. 1s are 3s are, that is equals to 27 centimeter square. What is the area of the triangle? 27 centimeter square. Now area of a triangle regarding to area of a triangle. Now area of a triangle with C, and no need to write this one, just I am writing this one for your purpose, is A equals to half into base into height, half into CE into AD, correct? We don't know the value of CE, that only we are going to find. Half into AB is 7.5 into CE, but we know that according to from equation 1, take this one as equation 1, from equation 1, area is equals to 27 centimeters, that is equals to half into 7.5 into CE, half into 7.5 into CE, that implies CE equals to 27 into 2 by 7.5. Just I am taking LHS here like that, just I am taking. Okay children, 27 into 2, 54 divided by 7.5. 54 by 7.5 can be written as 540 divided by 75. 540 divided by 75. 540 divided by 75. Okay, 1s are 1 0, 8s are 5. With 5 I am taking the cancellation. 1s are 5s are correct. 1s are 15 1s are. Okay, with 3 just do this one. 15 5s, 3 5s are 3 6s are correct. 36 by 5. 36 by 5. 1s are 7.2. 7.2, that is equals to 7.2 centimeters. What is the length of CE? That is 7.2 centimeters when AB is base and opposite side is CE. Therefore, you have to write, therefore, at last conclusion you have to write, therefore the length of CE, therefore the length of CE equals to 7.2 centimeters. Okay, 7.2 centimeters where CE is height from which line? AB, that is equals to 7.5 centimeters from from C to AD, that is equals to, okay. Okay children, I think you are all understanding the problems. Okay, thank you children.